Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Diploma for Electrical Engineering Class B. We'll discuss some question number 9. Okay, for the next, what do you think about question number 1? When loss on cable will be asked. What implication for anchoring system? Please, Muhammad Raihan.
In my opinion, the foundation must be very strong so that it can withstand very large wind loads. Next, Mr. Muhammad Alif.
Answering question number 1, I think it might be necessary to add a foundation to the cable in order to reduce the wind load received. Next, Mr. Asmi Izzuddin.
My opinion for question number 1, the development of the contraction of the vessel with a quality material. If the base is built in deeper water, then the anchoring system must use very strong anchors. Thank you. Next, to Mr. Ervin.
Okay, my number 1, my opinion, the R2 acceleration system set, namely by plating using a concrete structure or by using a large across as a anchor. Next, Akbar Maulana.
Thank you, Mr. Ervin. My opinion for number 1 is the implication of the anchoring system on the wind load on the cable, namely the load borne by the anchoring system will be heavier, which can result in the retaining system being overloaded and will be damaged. Next, Mr. Muhammad Rizal Izzuddin.
Answering number 1, I think the implication is that impact from space objects such as meteorites, satellites, and micrometeoroids was more difficult problem for the construction and operation for the cable of anchoring system. Next, Satya Igu.
Okay, for the next question, base will need be moved continually, sometime urgent. What time system could be used to hold the base in position? Please, Satria Ibu.
Okay. Sometimes offshore base need to be moved under certain condition, right? I think to hold it right in place, we use dynamic positioning, a computer control system to automatically maintaining a position of the ship and the base using its own propeller and exiting thruster. Next, Mr. Sulvan.
Okay. I think to hold it in place, we use a computer control system, dynamic positioning, as according to Mr. Satria. But the only difference is that the propellers are added with anchor planted on each side of the base and planned so that if there is a big wave that cannot be shaken. Okay, thank you. Next to Mr. Ilham.
Okay, I think to hold and move it, we need a computer and strong cables to maintain and move the
Okay, next to me, for my opinion about mobility of the station, I think yes, it will. We don't know what's in the water that can harm the base station. However, we have to move station continually and strengthen our GPS and control system. So the space elevator can easily track the base station and we can control the base station in position. The one way is by adding time system like radar. So the base will know if there is a storm nearby. And we also strengthen the anchor, and wherever the station is, it doesn't matter as long as we can control it. Next to Mr. Aris, maybe have another opinion. Thank you.
Okay, I will answering for question number 2. In my opinion, if the base requires continuous movement within a certain time, then the option that I think is the right one is to provide a patch above the base, such as moving the elevator patch, then we'll hold it back later. And we can add a crane to hold the elevator line. For next, I will give to moderator.
Okay, next question number 3. Best in shallow water near coast or deep water sources of choice will have impact on design of anchor system. Please, Ahmad Handi.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rajudan. I think a base in shallow water near the coast is the best choice because the anchoring system will be strong, more stable, and reduce the rise during high tide. In the event of a natural disaster, it will be easier to evacuate. Okay, next to Mr. Ahmad Teguh.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Handi. In my opinion, for question number 3, the function of the anchor is to attach to the base to the seabed. Permanent anchor structure can be built on the shore, but the anchor must be anchored to the seabed so that the base can be used safely with cable. Impact of the concept: if several anchor structures are built at different location along the coast, the base station can be moved between them. Next opinion from Mr. Ajudan.
Okay, in my opinion, it is better for to build a structure by the beach because it is safer so that the base can follow the direction of the orbit of the space elevator. For the next, Mr. Gilang Permana.
Okay. In my opinion, is permanent anchor structures can be built on the seabed of shallow water, because the anchor system allows the base to be securely in the shallow water in the shore. Okay, next to Mr. Eza.
My opinion for question number 3, I think that the base will be made in shallow water near the coast. If the base is in shallow water, we can put anchor that are directly embedded in the seabed so that the anchor design will be easy and safe to use. Next, Mr. Farid Rahman.
For question number 3, my opinion is in shallow water. I think the anchor design will be easier even though the base moves because it is close to the beach. If in deep water, the anchor design is difficult to adjust to the seabed.
Okay, next question number 4. Will weight of cable allow base to be moved by on propellers? Please, Mr. Shopri.
Thank you, Mr. Ajudan. My opinion, but question number 4, it should begin with the right calculation. In the case, we should focus on the propeller resistance and the cable strength. Next. to Mr. Rajesh.
Okay, thank you. Answering the question of number 4. In my opinion, the weight of the cable doesn't really have a big impact on positioning because the base station is driven by propellers. That's all from me. Next, Mr. Ahmad Fauzi.
Okay, thank you. I answering for number 4. In my opinion, it's still possible because the weight of the cable and the proper can still be considered be balanced. Next, Mr. Yoga Rawanto.
Thank you, Mr. Ahmad Fauzi. My opinion on question number 4. In my opinion, the cable load can be moved with the presence of a large propeller system, but it also requires a base that is large enough so that it is safe against the branch of the wave. Next, Ismail Abdul Haris.
My opinion number 4, I think it's dependent on the area and width of the base and the number of propellers you have. Although it has the width of the cable, but the base also has large area and width, it will not make the smooth. Next, Muhammad Rizki.
Okay, thank you, Ismail. My opinion for question number 4 is I think, but unlikely, depending on the number of plates against the weight of the base. Although it has a heavy cable, but many propellers and the size of the base is relatively small, it will be possible to move because of the strength of the wind pressure. The next is Mr. Marcelino.
Okay, and the last question. Are more powerful system for propulsion and control next? Actually, external power sourcely. Please, Mr. Marcelino, your opinion.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rajudan. In my opinion, number 5, in general, the propulsion system consists of 3 main components, include 1 main drive motor, 2 transmission system, and 3 movement tool. These 3 main components are a unity, that is, the planning process cannot be reviewed separately. Error in design will have enormous consequence to the condition. The next, Mr. Artova.
Okay, my opinion, question number 5. Spacecraft propulsion is active area of research. The current number of spacecraft is driven by heating direction and making it flow from behind the vehicle. The engine is called a rocket engine. Okay, next I will give to Mr. Nanda Azam.
Okay, my opinion on question number 5 is yes. We need a strong system for propulsion and control because the propulsion system is an important part of the ship used to move a ship. Examples are diesel propulsion, nuclear propulsion, gas turbine propulsion, and so on. This means that the system designed in order to overcome the overall task. Next, Ahmad Sultanul Askia.
Okay, in my opinion, is number 5. To move the proper is everything is using because a propeller can to large will which a larger energy requires and will live the elevator space. Next, Mr. Wilton.
Okay, thank you. If my opinion is for good propulsion technology, namely using a jet of water as a driving medium so that object can move according to the desired speed. Okay, next, Muhammad Fikih.
Okay, thank you. Well done. Then I think navigable driving at the offshore base station cannot be driven by the propeller itself, but requires a stronger drive system from an external power source to control the cable so that it can be moved. For example, with a rocket or other object that has great power to move the cable. Move the cable from the anchor system to orbit. Thank you. For the next, I return to the moderator. Please, Pak Ajudan.
Okay, thank you for everyone. So the conclusion from several opinions that displayed might be realized with some opinion. That's confirmed that it can be carried out here. So it's possible. If there is a groundwork, I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.